I made $2 million in 10 months with Bitcoin. I would say I have quite an expensive taste. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Gucci. That is $1,300 that pair. This pair is $900. This year was $1,100. Today I'm getting my new diamond Rolex watch worth $30,000 and will also surprise my girlfriend with a small gift. This is right now the presidential suite. I have a nice view to the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world. Here is my shoe collection. On this shelf it's Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Gucci. This actually was the most expensive one, $1,300 that pair. This pair, $900. This year was also $1,100. Here we have some of my shirts. So this is Givenchy for over $1,000. Armani, Dior, $15,000 just in shirts and jackets. I would say I have quite an expensive taste. It's more about the quality, but unfortunately good quality comes most of the time with a price. I feel really fortunate that I became this successful, and I'm also proud about what I have achieved. I'm not coming from a wealthy family, so the wealth that I inherit right now was basically all worked by myself for it. So I made most of my money with trading actually. So and as you can see here, I have here a Bitcoin chart open, and I have learned how to read these charts and take advantage of the different patterns that you can see here. So that is how I basically created my wealth. With some of my friends, we created our own crypto project. I financed the project absolutely by myself, and the bills were just piling up. I started in April, and in August I ran basically out of money. It was like a switch flipped in my head that I said, okay, it did not work, but you saw what crypto can do. Bitcoin was basically the holy grail for me to elevate to another level. And it took me 2 months to become really profitable. And from there onwards, with leverage trading, I went then from 5,000 to 2 million.
Hi guys, my name is Alex from I Am Crypto, and let's get here straight into the charts.
YouTube became basically the platform that enables me to share my knowledge. And so everybody has basically free access to that. I understood how many people I can reach to basically empower them to get to the same level of freedom that I enjoy today. Really that I made it was when I had 1.5 million and was traveling then to Las Vegas for my birthday, because my dream was always one day to go Las Vegas. Ah, hey, nice to see you again.
Hey Alex, nice to see you again, man.
Yeah, there you have my watch.
I got a present for you, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. My first diamond watch got unfortunately stolen in Ibiza.
Let me wrap this one.
Yeah. I'm currently in Dubai just to basically pick up my new watch, and yeah, then I go back to Kiev, and from there I will then soon go to Thailand.
We customized it for you. It's fully set with VS diamonds. Wanna try it on?
Yes, of course. Wow. I'm really happy with the watch. So I had it before, and like last time, I'm over the moon with the watch. Feels good. Awesome. There's 9 to 12 months waiting list on that watch, but here in Dubai I got it the next day. I paid $30,000. You can count if you want.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's just a crazy lifestyle. Look, I finally got it back. The best things about being wealthy is the freedom that you gain with it. Oh wait, I have something for you. It feels amazing to treat it people around me. It makes me even more happier than treat myself. Look what it is. If I would have to give an advice for people that want to live a life like that, is definitely be consistent and never stop grinding for your dream. I feel super grateful for the life that I inherit right now, because I have never dreamt 3 years ago to have a life like this. So, and yeah, I'm every day thankful.
Nice and friendly.
Yeah.